This is Carl. He's a lighting designer and designs the lighting concept for a big TV show. He wants to build a new LED installation for the show, but he only has 4 days to build it. The show is in 5 days. That's soon, and that's why he consults Klaus, the technician who would install the LEDs. But Klaus quickly realizes that Carl wants a system that is actually very complicated, would take a long time to install, and has lots of room for error. Why? Simply because in this system, each LED unit has to be addressed individually. That means all LEDs in the system receive the same signal. To process the signal, the LEDs need what's called LED addressing. Each LED unit has a unique serial number which is assigned an address. That way, the LEDs know which part of the signal they must use. Klaus also needs the addressing to know which LED is installed where. The corresponding LED lights up when it is addressed, and Klaus can then see where it is located. Therefore, each LED unit must be individually processed after it has been installed, and that takes time. The system Carl wants has 6,000 installed LED units. Klaus can't begin addressing them until after all the LEDs are installed, and Klaus needs 3 days for addressing alone. Carl would have little time left for any subsequent design, but without the LEDs, the installation just wouldn't be as good. That's too much for Carl. But after a little bit of research, Klaus has already found a solution: Schnick.Schnack.Systems, because the LED system from Schnick.Schnack.Systems uses SmartLink technology. Here, the LEDs don't need to be addressed individually, because the LED units can identify their position from their cabling. With SmartLink technology, data from the DMX signal passes through the installation's microcontroller one at a time. The first LED component takes the data it needs and processes the remaining data into a new signal. This automatically generates the LED sequence. Now, Klaus only has to address the first LED in the string by configuring its address in the system's power supply unit. Since Carl's installation requires 100 controllers, Klaus only needs half a day for the addressing, and can even do that while installing it at the same time. That means less stress and fewer errors to fix. Thanks to the LED system from Schnick.Schnack.Systems, Carl now has a lot more time than expected to devote to his design and can create even better lighting. Carl is really happy. And the show's producer is also happy because everything went so smoothly, and Carl's lighting concept looks fantastic.